A lot of people will ask me what's the best thing and the worst thing about starting again. And I've done it quite a few times in my life, whether that was, breaking up from a marriage, whether it was transitioning from Australia to America, whether it was taking my live training organisation and turning that into a cloud-based offering. Each one of those stages, the hardest part for me was my memory. And the best part also was my memory. Memory can serve us as a negative and it can serve us as the best thing ever. It depends on which side we choose to look at. But I think when you do it again, it's a different kettle of fish. I think when you start out first, you don't have that experience. You don't have the memory of how hard it is, how tough it is. You don't have the memory of those sleepless nights and the burning eyes and the fear and the panic and all of those things. The best part is also your memory, because you know you're going to get through it, and you know that if you have a good product and you have resilience and you work hard and you do the time and put the effort in, you come out the other end and you have a successful business, or you have a successful relationship, or whatever it is that you're starting again. The reason this is quite prevalent for me is I'm actually speaking in the Whitsundays for the towns that actually got really affected by Cyclone Debbie. And I was chatting to one of the women who was organising it, and she said, that's me. She goes, I am living in the memory of the cyclone. And she said, a lot of us are, and we feel quite traumatised by that. And I understand that. And I think, when you've got only a couple of minutes, it's hard to give you a deep strategy for how to get out of that. But the quickest thing I'm going to say to you is, when it is tough, whether it's in your business or whether it's in your personal life, do something fun. Hang out with fun people. Go to a fun movie. But get yourself laughing. Like just, those crazy friends that you've got that it doesn't matter, how bad it can be, they can always make you laugh out loud. Hang out with people like that. Secondly, find something that you're really, really good at and do it. It doesn't have to be about work. It can be anything. It could be gardening. It could be ice skating. It could be knitting. Just do something that you can start and finish and get a rush and a buzz out of that and get momentum. Because memory is just choice. Whether you choose to remember the good stuff or the bad stuff is completely up to you. We have to be the gatekeeper of what we allow out into the atmosphere, yeah? We control our thoughts, but you've got to catch them before they get there. You've got to catch them before they get into doubt. Anyway, I hope that helps, because I know when I hang out with fun people and when I do things that I know I'm good at, everything starts to get better, regardless of how dark it can seem at the time.